What you doing now, Dave?
Getting ready to fill up a bladder.
You done this before?
Nope.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our 𝗍𝗟𝗏𝗍𝗬𝗟, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Did you do anything to prep the bag?
I washed it out with a little bit of bleach and water. Alright.
You know, put that wood on there so it don't blow away in the meantime?
Step aside. One's got a fill port, the other one's got a exit port.
Zippy's too low to do this, huh?
Yep.
Gotta have gravity. How many gallons does this hold? Like a
30, it says.
And you're not going to be able to move it, so you got to have it exactly where you want it.
Something like that.
First time you go to use it.
Keep that kink.
𝗍𝗟𝗏𝗍𝗬𝗟𝗏?
Yeah.
Would you recommend using a filter?
I would. But I lost mine.
How'd you do that?
I left it hanging on the fill station and drove away.
Happens, doesn't it?
It does.
So normally you would add one there.
Normally I'd have a filter on it, yes. And I'd have a water softener on it too.
But we're not drinking it.
No, but it's good for the plumbing to use a water softener.
That's true. Well, this is the fun part, isn't it?
Yeah, this is where you get wet. Not if I do it right.
Still a little water coming out of here. So there it is riding on the back of the truck, and oh god, I'm afraid it's going to come off.
I say it's best to put it in a frame.
I can see why.
Yeah.
Oh, if we make it back there, I'm going to be surprised. That'll be one big water balloon, and that guy behind us is going to get it. Still there. Let's see what the freshwater tank says. 8 before we put the water in. It reads out at 8 gallons in there right now.
Alright.
8%, but we have 100 gallons in there. That's it?
Turn it to city fill.
City fill.
Hopefully that's it.
What about opening the other end a little bit?
Water bed should come right out.
Well, yeah, it should collapse, you're right.
What the hell's going on here? There it goes.
Yeah, I can say it's really filling up here now. Well,
First time I ever did it this way, so I don't know.
well, maybe I get up there and sit on it.
There you go.
It's going.
I don't know if it's filling it or not.
The neighbors said that if we just let this gravity feed, that it is going to take all night long. So they happen to have a pump. So we're going to use pump with a drill.
Let's see, this is in.
Yeah, we gotta have one of these. Which way's out, in?
Well, do that one there.
That one's in. Yeah, you gotta have one of these on here.
I love our bladder. I love it. I got one too. Yeah, I saw him tie it on there the other day. Yeah. But you should have seen us out here one night laying on the thing trying to get it to gravity feed. Both of us laying.
Well, that's what I was just about to do when you hollered.
It's much easier with the pump.
See, we could have waited and you could have got a video of that.
Right.
Ooh. All right.
Touchy.
Watch your hand.
Lefty?
Alright, now we gotta.
No, there it is. It's kind of tight.
Alright, put it in reverse.
Wait a minute.
Got it.
Dang.
That thing will tear your skin off.
Yeah, it
man.
did. I don't think.
Got to put it in. There you go. Oh,
Going
no, it's
the wrong
no,
way.
Going the wrong way. There we go. Got it?
Don't look like it's doing anything to me.
Maybe we are going the wrong way.
I don't know. Try it.
Which way? Backwards?
It's where you're going.
Oh. We're pulling it out.
And we're partway through. Let's see. 21. Excellent. Yep, you're getting there.
So I gotta get Karen doing this.
Are your hands getting tired swapping?
Yeah, this thing's heavy. Okay, it's all done.
Oh, it sucked that up really good.
Yeah, it did.
So now you're going to have to get one of those pumps. That took
You
probably
pay the
20
man.
minutes, I'm going to guess. I think you could put that in Zippy now, don't you?
Oh yeah.
So we're up to 50%. It was about 15 minutes with the pump.
15?
Yeah, probably been 15 hours with gravity.
Yeah, gravity probably would have been all night.
Boy,
Yep.
Zippy works perfectly for this.
It does the job. Perfect size for Zippy.
Yeah. That is a better way to go.
Oh yeah.
They got to get one of those, our electric pump.
Yeah.
You got to get one of those. Oh, is that right?
Well, I got one on the boat, but it doesn't do me any good there.
Actual size.
Actual size.
I can't believe how well the bladder fits in here.
Yeah.
And you can get pump outs in Quartzsite. 602-935-9470. And it'll also provide you with potable water too. $50 for a pump out, $10 for water. You get a group of people together, you get a discount.
Sweet gold.
And how many beers?
Oh.
That's an easy job.
Okay, 3.
One to go fill it up.
One to go fill it up, one to drive it back, and one to actually do it.
Okay. Good job, Dave.
Thank you.
Good job, Marty, wherever you went.
Good job, Karen.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.